ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ This is Kalavati. This ragam can also be considered as Valaji, and the composition that we are going to do today is Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda. This is a Kannada composition by Sri Purandaradasu. Sri Purandaradasu is well known for his compositions and his bhajan style of kritis, where he describes Lord Vishnu as his divine. And in this particular Kirtana, he describes Lord Vishnu as the whole soul responsible for the creation of the universe and his miraculous leading of the universe and the nature. Let's do Kalavati. Govinda 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 Ninna Namave Chanda. That's the Pallavi, that's the starting line of the Kriti. And the meaning of this, as per Purandaradasu, goes like this. Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda. Govinda, your name belongs to me. You belong to me. See the beauty of the lyrics. Try to understand the beauty of the raga in this, because this is an absolutely, Kalavati is an absolutely devotional raga. When you sing this, when you say Govinda, it's like the Lord is standing right in front of you. Try to get that feel, because that is the beauty of this ragam. This ragam is set to Aditalam. Aditalam goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do the Pallavi. Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda. Let me repeat for you. Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda. That's the first Sangati. When you actually do the second Sangati, we try to connect it from the first Sangati. Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna. That is our third Sangati. Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna Namave Chanda Govinda Ninna ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದಾಳ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದಾಳ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ. This is the Pallavi. Let's do the Anupallavi. Anu Renu Trina Kasta Paripurna Govinda. Let me repeat the lyrics for you. Anu Renu Trina Kasta Paripurna Govinda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. Let's repeat the lyrics once again. Anu Renu Trina Kasta Paripurna Govinda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. The meaning of this particular phrase goes like this. Anu Renu Trunakasta Paripurna Govinda. Anuvu Renu, that's what we generally say in Telugu, is Renu is a small particle. So in every particle that you see in the universe is filled with the Lord Vishnu, the Govinda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. His name itself, that Nirmalamaina, is what generally you say in Telugu. Nirmalamaina is like the pleasantness that you see all around is itself is Ananda, is the divine, is the Ananda, the feeling of the divine. Actually today this particular song, I guess the nature around me is also being a part of this. I'm able to hear a lot of fresh leaf sounds and the fresh air going on, and they're also trying to be a part of our video. Let's do the Anupallavi. Anu Renu Trina Kasta Anu Renu. I'm trying to slow down as much as I can. Anu Renu Trina Kasta Paripurna Govinda. Anu Renu Trina Kasta. It's like Anuvu, Renuvu, Trinakashtam, everything, the dirt, the small particle that you see, ashes, everything around you is filled with Lord Vishnu. Anu Renu Trinakashta Paripurna Govinda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. Nirmala Karanari. That's a very subtle Sangati. Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. The first time when we do this particular line, we stop the note Ananda, Ananda, and then when we do the repetition, Ananda, This is Kalavati for you. Anu Renu Trinakashta Paripurna Govinda. Nirmala Karanari. There's again a second deviation. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. Anu Renu Trinakashta Paripurna Govinda. Nirmala Karanari Teliyamude Ananda. Nirmala Karanari Nare. You can actually add lot of subtle sangatis to make or to enhance the beauty of this ragam. Nirmala Karanari. Nari is a lady. lady is considered to be very, very sleek and slender. So when you do this Sangati also, we try to do is as sweet and as beautiful as we can. Nirmal karanare teliya mudayananda anurena trina kasta paripurna govinda. This is a fourth Sangati. Paripurna govinda परिपूर्ण गोविंद निर्मल करनारे तेलिय मुदयानंद गोविंद निन्न नामवे चंद. This is we have done with the Pallavi and the Anupallavi. Please note down the Charanam now. Srushti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda Nirmala. Let me repeat the first line again. Srushti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda Nee Bari Mahimaya Teliyamude Ananda. Let me repeat it. Srushti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda Nee Bari Mahimaya తెలియముదే ఆనంద పరమ పురుష శ్రీ పురందర విఠలన ఎన్నోడే వాసన తెలియముదే ఆనంద. The meaning of this charanam is Srishti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda. Govinda, you are responsible. You are the whole and soul responsible for the universe to move. Nee bari mahimaya తెలియముదే ఆనంద. That means Nee Mahima is like your a miraculous creation is not being understandable by me because I am a layman. Parama Purusha Sri Purandara Vithalana. Parama Purusha is like, O divine of all the lords, my divine. Parama Purusha Purandara Vithalana Yannodi Vasava Teliyamude Ananda. I am not able to express my love, my Ananda to you. Let's do the Charanam. सृष्टि स्थिति लय सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारण गोविंद सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारण गोविंद गोविंद. I'm trying to slow down the Sangati here. गोविंद सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारण गोविंद नी बरी महिमया తెలియముదే ఆనంద నీ బరి మహిమయా. When you say Nee Bari Mahimaya, Nee Mahima, your miraculous expansion of this, I'm not able to understand. So there is a sense of a doubt. Oh, what's happening? I don't understand. That's what we are trying to get the feel in this particular line. Nee Bari Mahimaya తెలియముదే ఆనంద సృష్టి స్థితి లయ కారణ గోవింద నీ బరి మహిమయ తెలియముదే ఆనంద పరమ పురుష శ్రీ. This is exactly like our Anupallavi, Anurenutruda Kashta. परम पुरुष श्री पुरंदर विठलन यल्नुडी वासव తెలియముదే ఆనంద परम पुरुष श्री. This is an addition of the Sangati. परम पुरुष श्री परम. This is like a swing. परम पुरुष श्री पुरंदर विठलन यल्नुडी वासव తెలియముదే ఆనంద గోవింద నిన్న నామవే This is Kalavati and a Purandaradasu Kirtana for you. Let me know the whole Kriti at a one stretch and try to get the feel of the ragam and the feel of the lyrics. Here we go with Kalavati. Govinda 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 ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನುರೇಣು ತೃಣಕಾಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನುರೇಣು ತೃಣಕಾಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನುರೇಣು ತೃಣಕಾಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನುರೇಣು ತೃಣಕಾಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಕರನಾರೇ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಕರನಾರೇ ತೆಲಿಯ ಮುದಯಾನಂದ ಅನುರೇಣು ತೃಣಕಾಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಕರನಾರೇ ತೆಲಿಯ ಮುದಯಾನಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಕಾರಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಕಾರಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನೀ ಬರಿ ಮಹಿಮಯ ತೆಲಿಯ ಮುದಯಾನಂದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಕಾರಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನೀ ಬರಿ ಮಹಿಮಯ ತೆಲಿಯ ಮುದಯಾನಂದ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಹರೇ 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 ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಎಲ್ನೋಡಿ ವಾಸವ ತೆಲಿಯ ಮುದಯಾನಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ 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 ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ